Hello and welcome back to my channel again. Today we are going to discuss about BS4 and BS6. What exactly BS4 and BS6 is, and is it going to pinch your pocket while you're making a new purchase of any car or bike? So we'll be discussing about it. So make sure you watch the video till end, and if you like the video, do like, share, and definitely don't forget to subscribe, which is there on your left hand side. So begin with the very first question, that what exactly BS4 and BS6 is. It's nothing but an emission norm. In India it is BS6, Bharat Stage 6. Abroad in European countries it's known as Euro 4, Euro 6. You might have seen in initial cars it used to come Euro 3 engines, Euro 4 engines. So similarly it's BS6 engines now. A very good decision taken by the government in 2016-17, if I'm not mistaken. It's 16-17. On 2017 March, BS3 was stopped and BS4 was launched. Similarly, on 31st of March, 2020, BS4 is stopped and BS6 is launched. So what is this BS6? Now, primarily, after 31st of March, you cannot register a new vehicle which has a BS4 engine. Your vehicle has to have a BS6 engine. So let us understand that why this decision is taken. There's only one reason: pollution control. This is the one important reason that these decisions are taken. The cars are going to be slightly expensive, or the bikes are going to be slightly expensive, but in order to save our ecosystem, we have to take these decisions. So it's a very good decision. We have skipped BS5 and we have gone to BS6. It is a very good decision by the government. So coming to the very first question is, can you use your BS4 vehicles or cars or bikes? Then yes. Until now, I have BS3 bike, BS3 car. So there's not going to be any problem in using your BS3 or BS4 car. Now, just in case if someone is buying new BS6 car or BS6 bike, then make sure you use BS6 fuel in it, because there is lot of difference in BS6 fuel and BS4 fuel. Make sure that you use BS4 fuel for BS4 engines, but if you're buying BS6 engines or BS6 car or bike, make sure you are using BS6 fuel, because it is very. Now let me make you understand that what is the fuel difference in BS4 and BS6. There is a sulfur content in the fuel, and in BS4 the sulfur content is 50 ppm, and in BS6 it is reduced to 10 ppm. There's a lot of reduction that is going to reduce a lot of pollution as well as there are few minor modifications that are needed to be done in petrol engines, but major modifications are needed to be done in diesel engine. That is the reason Maruti has been selling or manufacturing only petrol variants right now. They have stopped manufacturing diesel variant as of now. There are news that they'll be manufacturing diesel variant for Brezza, which might be coming soon, but that's not authenticate news which I have received as of now. But yes, the today's news is that Maruti is only manufacturing and selling petrol variants, no diesel variants for BS6 for Maruti. So the price difference now. Coming to the price difference for car is like, for petrol variant it's not going to be a huge difference, maybe 12 to 15,000. The cars will be expensive, but for diesel variant, yes, it is going to be a difference, because there's going to be a catalytic converter installed in your car, which will be urea based. So in order to stop the particles to come out, so these all modifications are going to be expensive for diesel variants. If it's a 1.1 to 1.5 liter diesel engine, then the price difference will be somewhere around 50,000. The car is going to be expensive. If it is a 2 liter or maybe more 2.5 liter diesel engine, then the price is going to be somewhere around 80,000 or so. So the cars are going to be expensive of around 80,000. Now coming to the bike, BS6 bikes. Now what about them? You're going to get a fuel injection pump. It's going to be an FI bikes, fuel injected bikes. So there will be a fuel injection pump, there will be a fuel injector in that. So these are all electronic things, you have to take care of them. As you have seen my video about Thunderbird, there's a link upside. If you haven't watched them, make sure you watch it. If you're having a fuel injection pump, then you have to take the necessary care. It has to be cleansed once a year or so, and that's all. As far as price point is concerned, then yes, bikes are going to be expensive, like around maybe 10-15,000 or so. Nothing more than that. There's no major other differences rather than that. And yes, make sure you need to use BS6 fuels for BS6 bikes. Okay, BS4 or BS3 bikes are or cars are okay with BS6 fuels. You can refill them with BS6 fuels, but BS6 bikes compulsorily needs BS6 fuels, else it is going to destroy your fuel injection pump. There's a lot of technicalities in that. Let's not get into it. So all in all, I'll suggest that whatever the case is, we have to go ahead with the technology, and we have to save the environment. We have to decrease the pollution. So cars getting expensive or bikes getting expensive is not only the question, but reducing the pollution is the main question that has to be done, and we are going in that direction. So yes, go ahead with the technology. There are ups and downs, there are pros and cons. So let's face it, if at all you are using any carburetor bikes as of now, then for the next bike, definitely there will be a fuel injection pump installed. So make sure you get used to it. We are going to get hand in hand with the technology as we are going ahead. So thumbs up. And if you have any queries regarding this BS4 and BS6, then make sure you ask in the comment section. And if you like the video, then make sure you subscribe it in the channel below. Thank you for watching this video. Signing off from Mumbai. Thank you.